Hi guys, welcome back to another video. But today we're just gonna talk about something. Kinda want to quit, don't know, because I don't know something feeling of me. I just want to quit. I wish I can post more. Maybe this is my last shot. Yeah, I'm just gonna talk with you. If you're asking why I'm quitting, I don't know. It's the low quality of my phone and my video. Sometimes I even get up turning pregnant. Like I want to play but I cannot. And part of me just want to play. I don't know. Maybe I will play more content. Yeah, I'll just upload some short and bye guys. Thank you for listening. Bye. Bye. See you in another video or